tire because it's the proof that our let's say methodologies of design and testing are effective. I mean that we, for all the new products, we are starting from research on the market to understand the customer needs, but then we have a sort of evolution of them, giving them to the extreme. So we start calculating with finite element analysis our structures, not just to respond to the mandatory laws, but to increase, for example, the loads or the pressure or the speeds. So we are sure that our average customer will have a really good performing tire. And then after all the calculation, the building of the molds, of the prototypes, we are also used to test every single size. Speaking about a street tire on a actual racetrack with the actual professional riders involved that are, for example, former World Superbike riders. So they can push the tire to the limit, but they can also judge the very fine differences between the candidate specifications. And at the end of the day, we are also testing them on open roads to check the durability and the mileage. Not mentioning the sessions under the water. You know that in Europe during the winter we can go down below 7 degrees, 5 degrees. So we are testing on wet surfaces, on a wet track, also in that situation. So we are absolutely confident to give our customer a very, let's say, strong and performing tire.
The best tires for the worst conditions.
Yeah, sure. It's a good definition for this.